It's a whole tutorial. Let's go.
How to burn your ex-boyfriend's letter that you found under your couch that you move after. Oh no, there's a guy coming. We called an Uber.
Let's go.
We have to, yes. Oh. Oh.
Face. Look at this face. It's Lola Bunny.
Lola buns, you know.
Yeah, let's go. Walk it.
They're gone. Anyway, we are on our way. Let's go to burn the letter from my ex, and he happens to live in. So we're gonna burn it exactly where the trauma was born. You cannot have me back. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Respecting yourself.
But we're moving actually.
Yeah, but we have to go. Yes. Bye.
We're trying to be Barbies on a weekday, and that doesn't work in Germany because in a small city everything is dead. There's a kiosk there. Also, kids, don't smoke. Okay, let's burn some motherfucking letter. That red like my hair. How to burn your ex-boyfriend's letter that you found under your couch that you didn't move after.
There's another one. I don't speak Spanish. Oh. Da steht Para mi princesa. That I just said. That's divine feminine.
Divine feminine.
Yeah. Like amazing.
We got it. So, my tango. Oh my God, this verse has it all. Oops, I didn't know what to do. Well, that's it.
Fuck you. Ooh. Damn. Looking like a hottie. Ooh.
Balls like, it's real when I see you, bitch.
Yeah, fuck you.